Okay, welcome back to day 2 of Find the Mean. So let's just review here about when we say mean, what are we talking about? So we're talking about data, and when we have a certain amount of numbers and we want to find basically what is the average, what is the middle area of statistically speaking, and this lets us know, like, we can kind of predict what we might expect in the future when we find the average. So to find the mean, if we had 3 numbers, we would add the numbers together, divide by how many numbers there are. So let's do that. So when we add these numbers together, we get 6 plus 8 plus 4. So it might look like this: 6 plus 8 plus 4. And what does that equal? Well, I would do 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 8 is 18. And then we would divide 18 divided by 1, 2, 3. And 18 divided by 3 is 6. So that is our mean. Now we're going to go back and, you got it, check for reasonableness. So when we do that, is it possible that 6 is the mean? Does that make sense? Yeah, it actually does. That's kind of in the middle here between 4 and 8. It can't be a number bigger than 8, and it definitely can't be a number lower than 4. So yeah, that's a reasonable answer. Okay, so what about if there's 5 numbers? Dun, dun, dun. It actually isn't really harder, except you have to add one more number together. So just to remind yourselves again, we're going to add all the numbers, divide by how many numbers there are, the number of numbers. So when we add this together, you could use, if you're using a calculator, you could do that. You can write them out. I like to use some mental math tricks, so we're going to do that. 5 plus 5 is 10, and 7 plus 3 is 10. So this is a really easy one to do mental math. So we got 10, 10, and 10. So we have 30 when we add all of the numbers. And then we're going to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 numbers, so we're going to divide by 5. And our mean is 6. Oh, that's what our mean was on the other one. So you can see, you can have the same mean on a different situation. So is that reasonable? Yes, it's between 3 and 10, and it's actually pretty close to the middle between them. So that's a good, that's going to be very, very reasonable. Dun, da, da, da. So yeah, that's how you do it. And you're going to go do some more practice, and we will talk to you again tomorrow. Bye.